To continue with different ways to filter ideas from our Excel Project 5, I'm going to create an area called a criteria area where we can just type in criteria and allow it to generate some results itself. And what I want to do is I'm going to highlight the items from row A7 through J8. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste them up here. And I'm going to format these so they're the same color. If you can't get the exact same color, you can use a format painter. It's nice. And then the top row, I'm going to change that to say criteria area. And then what we'll do, we'll just do an example here, and we're going to put in status of part-time. We're going to put experience of greater than 3. And we're going to put a grade of greater than B. And now we set our criteria up. That's the first part. And then the next thing we need to do is highlight this area right here. And we're going to give this a name up here in the box. We're going to call it criteria. Okay. So that designates that area as criteria, which is awful nice. And now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to run this such that we get our results. And the way we do that is go under the Data tab, click on Advanced. And what you're doing here is we're going to say we're going to filter this list by the list range. I'm going to click on this little box here and determine the list range will come from here. And the criteria range come from up here. And then once we get that established, hit OK. And it should, but it didn't. Let me check something here. What did I do wrong? I'm glad this actually happened because maybe I went one too many. There we go. And notice what it's going to do. It's going to filter the list in place. So it went through and it found items that had that exact criteria. Now again, if you panic, hit the filter button and it brings everything back. So let's change this a little bit. This is a very specific criteria. Let's back it off a little bit and only have items that have the experience of 3. Go to Advanced, the list range. Notice I'm highlighting the titles, the headings clear down to the bottom. I'm not including the total row though. Criteria range. I'm just doing this top row. Okay, I'm going to filter it in place and go through, and it does include everything bigger than 3. So that's just yet another way to visually demonstrate how to sort by creating a criteria area and using it to your benefit there.